The Hennepin County attorney filed murder charges. Now begins the wait for a trial where he'll try to prove it.
The former Minneapolis police officer, Mohamed Noor, walked out of jail last night. He posted bond. This came a day after he was charged in the July death of Justine Damon, an unarmed woman who called 911 to report a possible sexual assault behind her South Minneapolis home. The bail was set at $400,000. Mary McGuire live in Minneapolis looking at what happens next. Mary.
Well, Jason, now that Mohamed Noor is out of jail, the real work really begins for both the defense and the prosecution in this case. But even the top attorney here in Hennepin County admits he has a daunting task ahead of him. Now, this is thought to be only the second time an on-duty officer has been charged in a shooting in Minnesota. The only other case was the recent case of former St. Anthony officer Geronimo Yanez, who shot and killed school cafeteria manager Philando Castile. Yanez was found not guilty in his trial back in June. After looking at the grand jury testimony, defense attorney Joe Friedberg says the former Minneapolis police officer does have one major thing on his side. Noor's partner also reached for his weapon and said he was spooked when Justine Damon approached him in their squad car.
That is good evidence for Noor, because it shows that under the same circumstances, another officer reacted, at least initially, the same way.
Now, historically, the numbers are also stacked against the prosecution. A study done by Bowling Green State University tracked 12,000 officer-involved shootings between 2005 and mid-2017. 82 officers were charged with murder or manslaughter, but of those, only 29 were convicted, and the majority of those convictions were for the lesser manslaughter charge. Now, Noor will be back in front of a judge here in Minneapolis on May 8th at 8:30 in the morning. Before being released from jail, Noor had to surrender his passport. He also had to surrender any guns that he may have owned. He was also ordered by that judge yesterday to have no contact with his former partner, Matthew Harity.
Mary, I know you've been talking with attorneys about other cases, and I was really interested in what they told you about the Philando Castile case, that might have an impact on this one.
Right. They think it's going to have a huge impact on this case, especially when it comes to the questioning of the potential jurors. You know how crucial a jury can be in cases like this. They think that their thoughts, potential thoughts on the Philando Castile trial and what happened there, their thoughts on police officers, possible previous run-in with police officers, that will have a huge impact on who they decide to be on that 12-person jury.
It's interesting, and people here might be more knowledgeable about the law related to use of force and police officers because people so closely followed that case as well.
Right, and they happened so soon together.
Exactly. Yeah, really interesting. Mary, thank you. Stay with WCCO for continuing coverage.